So here is the thing I want to say about that. If you have Meta subscription, that you can contact with the real agent. So this method will be work, okay? Otherwise it's not, okay? So first of all, you have to go into the Instagram account. I already blue tick mark in myself. If your account disabled, then it might be help for you. So where is my subscription? So I need to go into my center, verified, and get support. So I wish you need to verify your ID first, then you can contact with agent, okay? This is the main options. I'm telling about the issues in here. So here is my issue. So here is the thing, just send it next, okay? Follow the instructions, submit it, and wait for a moment, and they will get back to you with a chat message, okay? And they will contact you without any notification. Then you can ask anything, whatever you want. I just try to reach out this agent. So here I am. Do you need anything else? I just ask him, and they reply with something else. So they received my appeal and in progress. They said it progress. So if they find any legitimacy in my account, they will give, or they will back, or they will restore my whole account and whole server. So this is the way you can get back to your disabled account in Facebook. So I hope you guys understand that.